So welcome Jyoti ji once again, and thank you so much for sparing your special time and your important time for all of us and sharing your knowledge with us. We are very blessed to have you amongst us. There's so many things that you know that all of us are like, blank about. And last time when you mentioned about switch words, we were all like, how can this work? I mean, it is very amazing that such things work, and you've been off medicine since so many years because of these holistic healing modalities, which is the most impressive thing about you. I think you have actually managed to do something which all of us are just dreaming about. So yes, thank you so much for joining us, and please guide all of us into your, whatever knowledge you have. I'm hoping that the rest of us can also follow your footsteps, being medicine free. That is something which everybody would love to do. So over to you, Jyoti ji. So today, how are you going to guide us with switch words and EFT for cough and cold? Yeah. Because that season right now is bad for cough and cold, and everybody's suffering because of the climate change. So over to you, Jyoti ji.
Thank you. See, it's my life purpose to guide everybody in such a way that nobody needs to have medicines. I wish I can do that. Okay. Now, cough cold is something which everybody has a problem at least once in the winter change or in the summer change. People do have these issues, especially people whose immunity is low also have these issues. Now, if it is a problem which keeps coming to you again and again, then you need to do this for a longer period of time. But if your cough cold has just started and it's not a regular thing कि आपको हर हफ्ते हो जाता है, हर 15 दिन बाद हो जाता है, ऐसा नहीं है. एक बार हुआ है, just शुरू हुआ है, तो शुरू होते ही the moment the body starts giving you signals, if you start doing these switch words, you are out of it very quickly. Max 24 hours. That is the max. Okay. So we start with the master switch word together. Together is a master switch word. It basically activates your whole mental machinery. It will kind of turn over your request to your subconscious mind.
Okay.
So together is a very important switch word. We try to use it before using any other switch word.
Okay.
Right. And the other switch words that I'll be using in this healing will be crab apple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Now, crab apple, walnut, and white chestnut, this combination is a very good physical clean cleanser. Out of these, the crab apple is the basic cleanser. The walnut protects you from any kinds of outside influences. And the white chestnut removes your unwanted thoughts and patterns in your mind, right? And the yellow sapphire, it is a gem remedy for the throat. It activates your throat chakra. So these are mainly the four remedies that we'll be using. And the people who are also suffering from fever along with the throat will also chant rescue remedy. That is also a remedy, a bachelor remedy, rescue remedy.
Okay.
Right? So we'll be using rescue remedy, crab apple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Today I'll not be using rescue remedy. I'll just use it in the first round. But those who are having fever can use it in every round. Right?
Okay.
So should we start?
Yes, why not?
Okay.
So we'll be tapping along with the switch words, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's start. Together, I accept myself deeply and completely. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough cold. Together, I accept myself deeply and completely. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough cold. Together, I accept myself deeply and completely. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough cold. Now we will be doing the batch flower remedies. Rescue remedy, crabapple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Rescue remedy, walnut, crabapple, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Rescue remedy, crabapple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Rescue remedy, walnut, white chestnut, crabapple, yellow sapphire. Rescue remedy, walnut, crabapple, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Rescue remedy, walnut, crabapple, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough, cold. Now on, I'll not be doing the rescue remedy. Those who have fever can do it mentally. Crabapple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough, cold. Crabapple, walnut, white chestnut, yellow sapphire. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough, cold. Now we'll be doing switch word. Limit guard, 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 limit guard. Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough, cold. Limit guard, 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which cause me cough, cold. Limit guard, limit guard, limit guard, limit guard. 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 Release resistance on from the cellular level. I release all my thoughts, emotions, and memories from that part of my mind, body, and soul which caused me cough, cold. Now let's thank the universe for giving us all these remedies through which we can cure ourselves. Thank you so, so much.
Thank
So
you.
this is what we do for cough, cold. Now people who are suffering from bronchitis, tonsils, dry cough, any such chest related issues have to do it for a longer time.
Okay.
But because old problems take longer to go away. Every problem has an emotional background.
Correct.
Actually, we start suffering from diseases when our cells start suffering. Be it the viruses in our body, the bacteria in our body, every cell suffers, and then they act opposite to what we need them to act on.
Correct.
So if you're suffering for a longer time, please do it for a longer time also. And do it diligently. Don't think कि एक दो बार में हुआ नहीं, 10 दिन में नहीं हुआ तो मैं stop कर दूं. ये जितने भी alternate healing therapies हैं, they are very good, but you have to persevere. You cannot just
you have to be very regular.
Get away. You have to do it very regularly, and once you are out of it, you are really out of it. Correct. Like then you are actually in that mode. Every little cell of my body is happy.
Wow.
You go into that.
Yeah, right. That's what we want. Exactly. Wow. Could you suggest something for the sinus? Sapna ji is also suffering from sinus. So this is also a part of cough and cold. So is there anything else which can help her faster?
I will check for the switch word or healing number for sinus and I'll send it to you in the group.
No problem. No problem.
And plus this. You can do this. Plus if there is any add-on number, then she can write on her left body part.
Okay.
For cough cold, you can write 611.
Okay.
611 on left hand. Okay.
Yeah, left body part. Kahin pe bhi, anywhere on the left body part.
Okay.
Normally we feel it should not be visible. Isliye main idhar
Right.
It's a very safe place. If you're not wearing a sleeveless dress, it's a very safe place.
Yeah.
जैसे अपेंडिक्स में है प्रॉब्लम तो अपेंडिक्स के ऊपर ही लिख दो, स्टमक में है तो स्टमक के ऊपर ही लिख दो, लेफ्ट बॉडी पार्ट में कहीं पे भी लिख सकते हो.
अच्छा.
ये नंबर 611 किसी भी इसके लिए हो सकता है?
No, this is for cough and cold.
Okay.
हाँ.
For any other pain, 58 is what she had suggested.
Yeah,
okay.
58. Anywhere it is paining, just write 58. Or you can write it on a paper or sticker and stick it on your body.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can take a sticker, stick it on it, and put it on the inner part so that the number is touching your skin.
Okay.
So we can write it down because as if it flows up. Yes.
Some people don't like it touching the skin. Prefer it. It should be there in your aura.
Okay.
Somewhere in your aura.
Okay.
कितने दिन तक करना है ये नंबर्स?
जितने दिन तक आपका पेन नहीं जाता उतने दिन तक करना है.
तो रोज लिखो.
अच्छा. मिट जाए उसी के ऊपर दोबारा लिख दो. नीले कलर के पेन से लिखना. नीले पेन से मिट जाए तो उसके ऊपर दोबारा लिख दो.
ओके.
हाथ पे मत लिखो क्योंकि हाथ धुलते रहते हैं.
Right.
I'll just stop the recording because I think we'll take questions from anybody if they have.